So I think a couple aspects in terms of sort of our end businesses and what they're looking for out of payments. The first one is pretty basic, right? In other words, what they're looking for is reliability and accessibility, and the ability for them to take money from a customer and be able to receive that money, and similarly be able to use that money to pay for the things that they want. So they care about reliability, safety, security. Next things though that we're seeing in terms of what they're looking for is an element of convenience and personalization. And so one of the things that we are starting to see increasingly is ensuring that payments helps them run their business better. Yeah, so with payments, we have about 2,000 people globally that focus on delivering payments offerings and services for our clients, which be that traditional financial services, FinTechs, or in corporates. A lot of the work that we do is really emphasized, especially from the business side, is on a couple of things. One is how to make sure that those companies have the appropriate infrastructure and operations needed for payments. Number two, how to design appropriate experiences with payments embedded that help them use payments as a strategic advantage in terms of the attraction and retention of customers. Yeah, so we're coming out with our 2024 payment trends, probably shortly right after this conference, our normal aspect. It actually also is a good companion to our banking and capital markets outlook, where we have a whole separate section on payments as well. And so for us, what we really feel next year is a couple of things. First is, what we've kind of called solidifying the infrastructure as well, knowing that there's been a lot of changes that have taken place regarding proliferation of faster payments, as an example, being able to respond. We think about things like the new suggested rules around open banking, et cetera. And so we know that's going to lead all of our clients to really think about how to think about the way that they run payments, how to ensure that they're reliable, that they're safe, that they manage the risk, that they're scalable, and that they enable the type of value that people want to get out of payments. So I think that's a big one. And then really thinking about sort of the next gen conversations around digital assets and digital identity, and what that really looks like, and sort of what are the types of collaborations and ideas that we expect people to want to pursue in the coming 12 months.